Welcome back to Learner's Gain Learning Platform. Imagine reading a story, but struggling to understand some words. Frustrating, right? In this lesson, we'll unlock the art of understanding unfamiliar and tricky words by using context clues. Context clues are simply helpful words around an unfamiliar word. Context clues help decode unfamiliar words using hints around them. These hints can reveal different meanings. Let's dive deeper into the types of context clues. First is the definition clue. This occurs when a word's meaning is directly explained. For example, arid, which means very dry, describes deserts. Next, there's the synonym clue. Here, a similar word provides the meaning. For instance, the boy was timid or shy around strangers. Timid means shy. Then we have antonym clues. These clues use opposite words. An example is, unlike his bold sister, Max was cautious. This shows that cautious means careful. Now, let's explore example clues. They provide examples to clarify the meaning. For instance, celestial objects, such as stars and planets, fill the sky. This tells us celestial refers to space objects. We also have inference clues. These rely on logical thinking. For example, she gripped the rope tightly as she climbed. The word tightly suggests how she held the rope. It's time for a quick review. The 5 types of context clues include 1. Definition 2, synonym 3, antonym 4, example 5, inference. Always look for explanations, similar words, opposite words, examples, and helpful details. Understanding nuances is important too. A nuance shows small differences in meaning. Some words have similar meanings, but create different feelings. For example, annoyed means slightly angry, while furious means extremely angry. Consider positive and negative nuances. Curious has a positive vibe, while nosy has a negative implication. Both relate to a thirst for information, but in different ways. Now, let's talk about tone. Tone conveys the writer's attitude. For example, optimistic expresses hope, while gloomy brings sadness. Recognizing tone helps us understand the writer's feelings. Let's identify a tone. Imagine this. The gloomy clouds rolled in, and the air felt heavy. What tone does this evoke? Correct. It's dark or sad. The words gloomy and heavy create this feeling. Next, we look at multiple meaning words. A single word can hold several meanings. For example, light can mean not heavy or brightness depending on the context. For example, this bag is light. In this context, light means not heavy. Another example is turn on the light. Here, light means brightness. Context determines the correct meaning. Consider the word bark. The dog's bark was very loud. Bark in this context means the sound made by a dog. The tree's bark felt rough. Here, bark means the outer covering of a tree. So, bark can mean either the noise a dog makes or the tree's covering. Context is everything. These words can be tricky. Let's take a look at the word pitch. For example, the player will pitch the ball. Pitch means to throw a ball. Another example, her voice had a high pitch. Here, pitch means the level of a sound. So pitch can mean to throw a ball or refer to sound levels, showing its versatility. Now, let's put this to practice with pitcher. The pitcher stepped onto the mound and threw the ball. What does pitcher mean here? Exactly, it's the baseball player. Let's try another. The fragile vase shattered when it fell. What does fragile mean? Yes, it means easily broken. Let's consider lethargic. Unlike his energetic friends, Leo felt lethargic. What does that mean? Yes, lethargic means tired or lacking energy. Energetic is an antonym clue. Now for stern. The stern teacher frowned at the messy desks. What does stern mean? Correct, stern means strict or serious. Let's identify brisk. The brisk wind made us zip our jackets. What does brisk imply? Right again, it suggests cold or refreshing. Time for a quick tone challenge. The cheerful music filled the room. What's the tone? Yes, The tone is happy and joyful. Now, her voice was sharp and irritated. What is this tone? Exactly, annoyed or angry. Let's move to a multiple meaning challenge. The word wave can refer to water movement or a hand gesture. Fair can mean a carnival or something just or equal. Now, it's your turn. Try our vocabulary detective activity. Choose a story, find 5 tricky words, and write down their meanings using context clues. Next, let's sort some sentences into definition, synonym, antonym, example, inference. Read carefully and identify the clues that help explain unfamiliar words. Ready for a quick quiz? 1. What do context clues help readers do? Correct. They help understand unfamiliar words. What clue uses a synonym? A synonym clue. 3. Which clue uses antonyms? An antonym clue. What is nuance? Pause for 2 seconds. It means a small difference in meaning or feeling. 5. What determines the meaning of a multiple meaning word? You may pause to answer. The context of the sentence. In summary, context clues reveal word meanings. Definition clues explain. Synonym clues use similar words. Antonym clues use opposite words. Example clues provide examples. Inference clues require logical thinking. Nuance shows subtle differences. Tone shows emotion or attitude. Context determines the meaning of multiple meaning words. Amazing work, everyone! Finally, here's your home practice. 1. Record 10 unfamiliar words. 2. Write the context clue for each word. 3. Find 5 multiple meaning words. 4. Rewrite one sentence using a different tone. 5. Write a paragraph containing 5 context clues. Thank you for joining us today on Learner's Gain. For more fun lessons, visit our website at www.learnersgain.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends. Learner's Gain. Learning made fun, simple, and rewarding.